Hi, this is Terry Lee, and this is what you will be making when you go through the Winter in Victoria envelope stack modified manila folder tutorial. And I just thought I would there's a couple small things I still need to do, but I just thought I would give you an overview of what you can accomplish and just by following this step-by-step tutorial. So when you first open it, there's a card that comes out here. There's a card that comes out here, and then you open it this way, and everything in here has been decorated with glitter pen. I mean, everything, okay? And then all of these have, all the CD covers have Christmas ornaments, and if you put them in just right, ta-da, they match right up. Well, okay. Anyway, and then you will make these pockets here. I still have to put a decoration there. And these are all pockets. This is a pocket. There's pockets here, pockets there, pockets everywhere. You will learn to make pockets, that's for sure. And then there's an envelope here with a card inside. There's a card inside. There's a hidden belly band. When you take this out, it's all lined up. You can't see it at all. There's a large writing card here. Some of these are placeholders just for the purpose of the tutorial. Anywhere you see a paper clip, it means I need to add a card. And then it opens this way, and there's a giant envelope with a cute little squirrel. And then there's room for postcards in here. And then I need a card for there. I haven't decided what I want in the window yet, but you're going to learn how to make all of this step by step. There's a crisscross ephemera holder that you'll learn how to make, and then you open this and there'll be a card in here. There's a writing card in there, and then you open that, and then there's two more CDs with two more Christmas tree ornaments in them. And then when you get to the center, there's a large writing card. And then when you get to the center, there's an even bigger writing card in the back. And it says, "Let it snow." And the writing cards are all backed with my homemade paper that has the glitter in it. And I actually do tell you how to make that during the course of the tutorial. I don't know if I'm getting everybody back the right way. No, obviously I'm not. Anyway, then when you flip him over, just kind of tie him a little bit. Then when you flip him over, then he's got this beautiful manila folder on the back. And when you open it, it's got a little Velcro closure. Can you hear that? And then when you open it up, there's a place to put some postcards right here. And then you open it up on this side, and here's your Christmas list of things to do. You can actually take this out if you like, and then put Christmas cards or something in here instead. It's just held on by a belly band. You can also replace it when you use up all the paper. Okay, we're just going to stick it right there for right now. And then in the center here is a place for some large writing cards, gift cards, envelopes, whatever you want to put in there. So that's it. That's the tutorial that you're going to learn how to make step by step over the course of 7 videos. And that may seem like a lot, but actually it's not. And I think you'll be really happy with it when you get done. And you'll get it done in time for the holidays, and you can give it to someone as a gift, and they will be very impressed at all the hard work you've put in and what you've accomplished. This is Terry saying goodbye, and I hope you enjoy these tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I'll see you in the next video. That'll be a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.